to wrap the grape in the cotton candy. It's supposed to be busting, right? How you got cotton candy? Let's do it. First off, if you have not had cotton candy grapes, I got mine from Publix. They taste just like cotton candy. Ooh. And you open these grapes. Okay. I don't know how we just gonna